Good evening, everyone. This is Vinay working as a maths program associate in Avanti Fellows. Today we are going to discuss the problem solving in JE. Okay. So today I have brought some questions from last year question paper, guys. It is from 2020. I think it is January 7th. I think so. Yeah, January 2nd, second shift question paper it is. So I'm going to discuss the last year question papers, which will be helpful for us to write this exam. Writing the exam of for writing this February exam. So it will be very helpful for us. So everyone please stay attentive and try to be active. I'm going to share my screen. Once again, I'm telling today we are going to discuss the IIT JEE problem solving of the previous year 2020 questions we are going to discuss so that it will be helpful for 2021 exam. I launched the poll. Those who are present can give the technical check, guys. Good evening, YouTubers. Good evening, Sandeep and Priyanka. Okay, yeah, very good. So if you guys are unable to hear my voice due to my internet connectivity issue or anything in between the class, please let me know, guys. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Before going into the 2020 questions, yesterday we have left from last 5 to 6 questions, right? So that we'll just discuss it. The full test 2 paper. Only 5 questions are left, I think so. So that I will discuss first, and then I will go on to the question paper of 2020. Okay. So I think till 68 questions we have done yesterday. Now comes the 69th question. How to do it, guys? See, first of all, when someone has given you like any equation like this, like see, f of x plus y by 1 minus xy is equal to f of x plus f of y. Someone is giving you. Then what could be your function? You can easily guess your function, right? For example, if someone has given you f of xy is equal to f of x plus f of y. Guys, what could be your function if someone has given you like this is second statement? Then what is your function? Which function could satisfy the given equation? Like, see, if you are having ln of xy is equal to ln x plus ln y, right? So you can happily take your f of x as ln x as what any function you can take it until it is going to satisfy the given relation. Okay, so that is very important. So as we know, f of x is equal to f of x plus f of y, you can take ln xy is equal to ln x plus ln y. Now similarly, what can I take for this relation? The relation is f of x plus f of y is equal to f of x plus y by 1 minus xy. It is more or less looking like see, tan inverse x plus tan inverse formula, right? So that is the reason you have to be very thorough with the formulas. You should be very thorough with the formulas of the inverse trigonometric functions. So tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula, what it is, guys? It is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So which this whole equation is going to satisfy if you take our f of x as tan inverse of x. So that's the reason we can assume our f of x as tan inverse of x over here. So if f of x is tan inverse of x, what is happening to my question, guys? What he has given, limit x tends to 0, f of x by x is equal to 1 by 3. Now it is very simple to do. Once we got the function, now there is nothing. You just have to apply the limits. Limit x tends to 0, tan inverse of x by x is equal to 1 by 3. That is what he is asking, right? Okay. So please tell me is equal to 1 by 3. Here, one thing we have forgotten. Here, there could be any constant outside, right? There could be any constant, right? Some constant could be there. Okay, so c into tan inverse of x will be our function, not only tan inverse of x, because you have to take the general solution, not a particular solution like c into tan inverse of x, because F of x is 2 tan inverse of x, 3 tan inverse of x, for any tan inverse of x, it is going to satisfy the given equation. So we have to take c into some tan inverse of x. So now that's the reason he has given the limit thing to find the value of c. Okay. So now if you take the c outside, that is a constant. So limit x tends to 0. Tan inverse of x by x is equal to 1 by 3. Now what is tan inverse of x by x, guys? It is 0 by 0. So I will just use the L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule, if I differentiate, how much I'm getting? Limit x tends to 0. Tan inverse of x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square by derivative of x is 1. So if x tends to 0, it is 1 into c is equal to 1 by 3. So c is equal to 1 by 3 itself. Okay. Now what is asking? So what is our function? First of all, try to write the function, guys. It is tan inverse of x by x into 1 by 3. See, na? Sorry. Why I'm writing x, guys? So it is 1 by 3 tan inverse of x is my function. Now what is asking? What is f dash of 1 is asking, right? So now what is f dash of x first of all? So 1 by 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square. At x is equal to 1, what is my value? 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 6 is your answer. So you can go for option B. Okay. So that is how you have to do. Next one, value of a for which the two lines are going to intersect. Alright, this is not a big deal. You can directly write it because if both are intersected, then the intersection point, whatever the point it is there, it is the same, right? Let us assume my x minus 2 by 1 is equal to y minus 9 by 2 is equal to z minus 13 by 3 is equal to some lambda. Okay. And the other line equation is x minus a by minus 1 is equal to y minus 7 by 2 is equal to z plus 2 by minus 3 is equal to some mu. Okay, so obviously whatever constant we are going to take, it won't be same for two lines. One should be some other lambda, another constant, and another one is some mu. Okay, so now what we have to do is, as we are searching for the intersection point, means x, y, z, everything will be equal, means point is same, means x coordinates are equal and y coordinates are equal, like that. Okay, understood? So please look at here, everyone. What are x coefficients? Please be careful while writing the coordinates. What are x coordinates for first equation? It is lambda plus 2. Okay, lambda plus 2. If you try to give me answers, guys, lambda plus 2 is equal to what is the x coordinates for the second line equation? It is a minus mu. Okay, means I'm just equating x minus a by minus 1 is equal to mu, right? So x minus a is equal to minus mu, and x is equal to a minus mu. So that is how I got it. Okay, so this is one equation we got. What is the for x this is, and for y similarly try to do it, guys. It is 2 lambda plus 9 is equal to 2 mu plus 7. Okay, yeah. And what is the third equation? 3 lambda plus 13 is equal to minus 3 mu minus 2. So totally we got some equations. From here we have to find the x, y and z values, right? So just look at here. Here we are having how many unknowns? Lambda, mu and a. So three unknowns are there. So you have to solve it for three equations are also there. So you can easily solve it, guys. What I will do is this one, I'm second equation, I'm writing it here. Look at here, everyone. 2 lambda minus 2 mu is equal to minus 2. Okay, so lambda minus mu is equal to minus 1. That is what we got. And what about this one? 3 lambda plus 3 mu is equal to, I think, minus 15. So lambda plus mu is equal to minus 5. So lambda plus mu is equal to minus 5. Okay, Sandeep, we will see whether it is correct or not. Very good. So now we just try to add both of these things. What you're getting, 2 lambda is equal to minus 6. So lambda is equal to minus 3. Okay, so lambda is equal to minus 3 I got. And what about mu? it is -2, I think so. Okay, lambda is -3 and mu is -2. Now substitute it in here. So it is -1 is equal to a plus 2, right? So that implies a is equal to -3. Okay, a is equal to -3. Okay, now not finding all the things, we just need what is asking? Value of a is asking. Okay, okay. So then it is completed here. Value of a is -3 you got. Okay. Simple it is. You just have to take equal lambda and mu and then equate it and try to find three unknowns are there, three equals are there, try to find the constants. So I think option D is your answer. Yeah, Sandeep, your answer is correct. Very good. So understood everyone. If anyone is having any doubts, please let me know, guys. Okay. Yeah. Now comes the question number 71. What is asking? Tn with the number of all possible triangles formed by joining the vertices of an n-sided regular polygon. Okay. First of all, guys, tell me what is a total how many sides required for forming a triangle? Try to give me the answer, guys. Sides are required for forming a triangle. Obviously, 3. Guys, is my voice audible or is it breaking, guys? YouTubers, try to give a reply. If it's breaking, please let me know, guys. Okay. I hope it is audible. Okay, okay. Thank you, Sandeep. So look at here, guys. So what is number of all possible triangles to form a polygon? Okay. So guys, for my triangle, I will have 3 sides, right? So for forming a triangle, I require 3 sides. So what is asking? N-sided polygon means it could be 5, it could be 6, it could be 7, anything, any sided polygon he's talking about. Okay. So it is very simple here. Total n sides are there, and how many sides you require for forming a triangle? 3. So out of n you have to take 3. So the number of how many number of selections it is? It is nc3 number of selections. So nc3 number of combinations you will get, means nc3 number of triangles you can form for n-sided polygon. Understood? So nc3. Okay. So now please tell me, now what is Tn plus 1? Obviously n plus 1 sides it is. So it is n plus 1 C3. Okay. And what is Tn? It is n C3. So now just substitute it and you can easily find the value of n. What is Tn plus 1? N plus 1 C3 minus n C3 is equal to 10. Okay. So better before what you say, expanding it and writing all those things, it will be very difficult for you guys. So better I will use this formula. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR, right? So I can write my n plus 1 C3 as, please be very careful by writing these things, guys. Okay, NC3 plus NC2. So NC3 plus NC2 will be n plus 1 C3. So this one I will just keep it here so that it will get cancelled. NC3 plus NC2 minus NC3 is equal to 10. Okay. So try to use the formulas and it will be very helpful for us. It will be easy. You will get the answer very directly. See, NC3 and NC3 got cancelled. So NC2 is equal to 10. So what is n, guys? It is obvious. N into n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 10. N into n minus 1 is equal to 20. You can just write it as 5 into 4 simply. So n is equal to 5. Okay. So for satisfying the equation Tn plus 1 minus Tn equal to 10, our n has to be equal to 5. Okay. So that's your answer, 71. Now comes the 72. So here, okay, yeah. So here we look at the question number 72, guys. Sorry for the disturbance. So what is giving the number of possible straight lines? Okay, passing through the point 2 comma 3. Okay, first of all, just any equation of line passing through 2 comma 3 is what? Y minus y1 is equal to slope. I don't know. I don't know the slope. No one has given to me. So as m into x minus 2. Okay, so this is my equation of the line. Okay, so if I simplify it, y minus 3 is equal to mx minus 2m. Right. Still, if I want to simplify, okay, just leave it aside. Just keep it as it is. And what is asking? This straight line is forming a triangle with the coordinate axis. Okay. So it is forming a triangle with the coordinate axis means what? Means the if some let us assume the straight line is like this. So it is like any straight line will form a triangle with the coordinate axis, right? So if I take x-intercept, this one is x-intercept and this one is y-intercept. Okay. So what will be your area of the triangle, guys? It is half into x-intercept into y-intercept. Can I say it or not? So this is a logic over here. So what is the x-intercept here? Guys, for finding x-intercept, what I have to do? What I have to do? I have to do y is equal to 0. So what is happening if y equal to 0? 0 minus 3 is equal to mx minus 2m, right? So what is the value of x you are getting? I think it is 2m minus 3 by m. Yeah, so this is my x-intercept. Okay, and now please tell me if I need y-intercept. If I need y-intercept, then I have to make x is equal to 0. So if I substitute x equal to 0 in this equation, y minus 3 is equal to 0 minus 2m. So now tell me what is my y? 3 minus 2m, right? 3 minus 2m. So this is my y-intercept. So now you guys please tell me what is my area he has given? He is given the area is 12. So what is area of triangle? Half into x-intercept is our base and into y-intercept. Okay, so this is my area which he has given us 12. Okay, so now you suggest substitute the things which we got. Half into what is x-intercept? 2m minus 3 by m into 3 minus 2m. Okay, so here you have to be very careful because the area he has given, it could be plus 12 or it could be minus 12. So for plus 12 you'll have some m values, for minus 12 you'll have some m values. If I take plus 12, what is happening? I'll just look at here. So I think it is 2m minus 3 whole square. I'm just simplifying it, guys, by minus 2m is equal to 12 or minus 12, right? 2m minus 3 by whole square by minus 2m. Okay, so now just take it here. 2m minus 3 whole square is equal to plus 12. I'll directly multiply it here. See, you have to be very fast. So it is minus 24m. Okay, or the other one, 2m minus 3 whole square is equal to 24m. Okay, yeah. So now you just check it. So it is 4m square plus 9 minus 24m is equal to minus 24m. And here also you will get 4m square plus 9 minus 24m is equal to 24m. Okay, so here what is happening? 24m and minus 24 and minus 24m are getting cancelled. So what you are left with? Any mistake we have done? Why we are getting m square is equal to minus 9 by 4? So it is half into x-intercept is 2m minus 3 by m, yeah, and y-intercept is 3 minus 2m. 4m square plus 9 minus yeah, exactly. Very good, very good, very good. Yeah, Sandeep. Thank you, Sandeep and Bhargav. Yeah, guys. Here the mistake is here, right? So it is minus 12m. I've taken 24. That's the reason I got confused. Okay, guys. Okay, okay. So now what is happening? It is 4m square plus 9. If I bring that minus 24m to LHS, I will get plus 24. 24 minus 12 is 12. So plus 12m is equal to 0. Okay. Yeah. So now how much it is? It is 2m plus 3 whole square is equal to 0. So m is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is what one value we got. Okay. So now try to solve this second one. So it is 4m square plus 9 minus 48m, right? So 4m square minus 48m plus 9 is equal to 0. So here we will get two values of m, right? M is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. If you do it, you will get two values. Now we don't need the value, guys. Okay, actually, so I will don't never waste your time in finding the value. So here m is equal to one value and here two values. So total how many different values of m you are getting? You are getting three values of m. So for three values of three slopes, how many straight lines will get? Three straight lines will get. So here we'll if you substitute three slopes, we'll get three straight lines. So number of straight lines, possible straight lines are three. Is your answer? Okay, understood? Clear? Okay, no need to worry, Bhargav. Here is that is what you're saying, right? You can just take this one. 4m square plus 9 minus 12m. Okay. So if I write it, 4m square plus 9 minus 36m, right? Yeah. So 4m square minus 36m plus 9. Okay. Okay. So total three straight lines are there. Okay. So that's it. So coming to the question number 73. Guys, first of all, before going to the question number 73, what is the formula of sine 3 sine inverse of x formula and 4, not 4, sorry, 3 only, 4 cos inverse of x formula. Sorry, 3 cos inverse of x formula. Please tell me. It is kind of sine 3 theta and cos 3 theta here. What is 3 sine inverse of x formula, guys? Try to give me the answer, YouTubers. Bhargav, Sandeep, those are present. Anyone? Okay, let me go slowly. Okay, I'll try to go slow and may I know your name? Admin, may I know your name? Okay, I'll go slow. If you have any doubts, please ask me. What is your name? Yeah, okay. Karan. Okay, Karan. If you have any doubts, please ask me. I will reduce my speed. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, what is 3 sine inverse of x, guys? It is sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube, because sine 3 theta is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, right? And what about 3 cos inverse of x? It is cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, because cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, everyone. So this is the formula we know. So now in our given question, we are having 3 sine inverse of 4 by 5. We'll try to solve this one. What is 3 sine inverse of 4 by 5? Try to apply this formula over here. So it is equal to sine inverse of 3x means 12 by 5. Okay, 3 into 4 by 5, 12 by 5, minus 4 into x cube means 4 by 5 whole cube. Okay. The other one is, what is the other one? 3 cos inverse 4 by 5. And we also need 3 cos inverse of 4 by 5. So this is how much This one is cos inverse of 4x cube, 4 into 4 by 5 whole cube minus 3x, 3 into 4 by 5. Now we just have to do the calculation part. That is equal to how much we are getting, guys? Sine inverse 12 minus, I think it is 464 4 jar 256. 12 by 5 by minus 256 by 5. Okay, sorry, no, it is not 256 by 125, 5 cube, right? Is equal to the second one, cos inverse of, it is 256 by 125 minus 12 by 5. Okay, yeah, it is completely opposite, right? Okay. Okay, so now what is the answer we're getting? If I take 125 the LCM, 5 into 25, 25, 12 jar, 250, 270, I think so, right? 25 into 12 jar, 275. 300 minus 256. The same thing goes here, 256 minus 300 by 125. So how much it is? 60 means it is 44 by 125, and this is minus 44 by 125. Okay, so finally we got some value here. I'm going to substitute it here. So I got it. Cos inverse of how much it is? Minus 44 by 125, right? Minus 44 by 125 plus sine inverse of, what is sine inverse we got? I think we got 44 by 125, right? Forty-four by 125. So I think we got minus 44 by 125 plus 44 by 125 is equal to 0. So your answer is equal to 0, guys. Okay, very good, Lahari and Sandeep. Understood? Anyone is having any doubts? What is 0, guys? Okay. So now comes this 74. If you want to see, very good, Bhargav, Sandeep, everyone has given the answer. Very good, guys. Yeah. So what is the meaning of pi, guys? Pi means multiplication. Please remember, okay? And if someone is talking about sigma, it is addition. Okay. Please try to. I think everyone knows this thing. Okay. I'm just telling it again. So what is an intention? Pi from k equal to 1 to 20 means 1. If k equal to 1, what is my matrix? It is 1301, right? Into, again, if k equal to 2, 1 6 0 1. Okay, and into next one 1 k equal 3, it is 9 0 1. Okay, so on till where? Till the last one is 1. 20 into 3, 60. 0 1 is equal to 1x 0 1. Okay, guys. Yeah. So what is happening? He's asking the value of x. It is very easy. Yeah. Just try. See, this kind of question you have to be very simple. It is. See, whatever matrix in the form of like this 1a 0 1. into 1b01. What it is happening, just try to check it, guys. See, what is the multiply? Try to multiply. 1 into 1 plus a into 0 is 1, and 1 into b is b, and plus a into 1 is a. Okay, and next one is 0, and next one is 1. So see, you got b plus a, and again if you're doing something with this, some other constant, same matrix with another constant, you will get a plus b plus c. Okay, so that is the trick here. So here, see, look at this multiply here. 1 plus 0 is 0, and b plus 1 into c is c, plus b plus a into 1 is b plus a, and next one is 0, and next one is 0 into c is 0 plus 1. Okay, so see, as you go on, you're going this a1 2 part, like first row second element, they will get add on. Okay, the elements will get add on. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is here my final matrix is 3 plus 6 plus so on till 60. Okay, so this is how you will get this thing, guys. Okay, is equal to 1x01. So what is my x, guys? Is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus so on 60. Now I think finding this one is very easy. Is it which one it is? Yeah, I think you're adding 333. It is in GP, right? Sorry, it is in AP. Sorry, yeah. It is in AP with a common difference 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So what is the sum of n terms in an AP? Total n is 20, I think so, right? Okay. So it is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is n? 20 by 2 minus 1 is 19 into 3. Okay. Yeah. So how much we are getting? 10 into 19 3 if I go 57. 57 plus 6, right? So I think it is 57 plus 6 is 6. How much? 63, 630, right? So I think we are getting 630 as your answer. So 63 into 630 is your answer, guys. X equal to 630. Yeah, Sandeep and Barco both are correct. So your answer is 630, guys. Okay, yeah. So 74 is completed, and the last one is 75. So here what he has given, see, by looking at the question we will think, array, he has given some x and t, something he has given. So don't worry, it is very easy. If you keep your senses over here, f of x into sine t dt. Guys, whenever in the integration, you have to remember only one thing which is very important. What, with respect to what you are integrating, with respect to dt you are integrating here. So here your variable you have to be very careful is dt. Okay, you should not worry about x here. Okay, because with respect to dt it is, so you can happily, no one has said about any x, so you can just take your f of x outside into 0 to x sine t dt. That's it. Means only the terms which are in terms of the function which is in terms of t should be kept inside the integration. Okay, so now please tell me what is happening. So that is equal to, what is integral sine t? Integral sine t is minus cos t, going from 0 to x. So how much it is? F of x into first one will be minus cos x, minus or minus plus cos 0, right? So finally, how we have rewritten our given question as f of x into 1 minus cos x. Okay, so this is my given thing. Okay, f of x into 1 minus cos x is equal to some constant he has given, right? Is equal to some constant he has given. Look at here, everyone. is equal to some constant here is given. Okay, I think f of 12 pi 1 minus cos y here. Look at here, Lahari. Minus cos x and cos 0 is 1, right? So 1 minus cos x. Understood? Okay. Okay. So now please look at here, everyone. So finally we got f of x is equal to 1 to 1 minus cos is constant. Now try to differentiate, guys. Try to differentiate this one. How much we are getting? If I differentiate the f of 1 minus cos x, take my f of x as it is and differentiate 1 minus cos x. What is differentiation of 1 minus cos x, guys? It is 1 will be 0 and minus cos x is sin x. Is equal to differentiation of constant is 0. Okay, yeah. So from this, what we got, f dash of x by f of x is equal to, if I want to say, it is sin x by cos x minus 1. Okay, everyone, clear till here? So if I want to find f of x, what I'm going to do is, I'll just doing integration. Okay, integration with respect to dx, integration with respect to dx on both sides. What is integral f dash of x by f of x? It is log f of x. I hope everyone knows this one. Log f of x is equal to, guys, what is the integration of sin x by cos x minus 1? If you take cos x minus 1 as t, then minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So it will be minus log cos x minus 1, if you want me to say. So that's it, plus c. Okay, so this is what we got. And now moving further, so it is log f of x plus log cos x minus 1, means f of x into cos x minus 1 is equal to some constant c. Okay, so now what he is given, guys, what he has given, f of 12 pi is equal to 2. F of 12 pi, if he's talking about cos of 12 pi is equal to 1, right? So we are getting log 0 over here. I think what is the mistake we have done over here? Okay, so here one small thing we can do for our convenience. Look at here, everyone. Guys, see here minus log cos x minus 1. What can I write? Cos x I can write it as 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Can I write it or not? Okay, so here is a mistake while doing the integration. Better, okay, guys, look at here, everyone. So what I'm trying to do is here, sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1, that I won't take. 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 I will take. See, 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 minus 1. Okay, so what is happening, guys? Look at here, everyone. So here, since 1 and 1 get cancelled, and then you are left with integral 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2 by minus 2 sine square x by 2. So this is what you are left with, right? So if you cancel 2 and 2 and take minus outside, and sine x by 2 and sine x by 2 get cancelled, so you're left with integral cos x by 2 by sine x by 2. Okay, so now it will be easy for you. Minus of what is integral cos x by 2 by sine x by 2? It is minus 2 into log sine. Na? What is integral cot, guys? Integral cot is log sine. As by 2 is there, divided by 1 by 2 will become into 2. Okay, yeah, plus c. So this is what I got. For simplification, here this is very important. And here we got a log of f of x, right? In LHS, log of f of x. Yeah, and so this is our equation we got. So now what he has given to us, he has given that f of 12 pi is equal to 2. F of 12 pi is equal to 2 he has given. I'm rewriting my function here. What is the equation we got? Log f of x is equal to minus 2 log sin x by 2, 2 log sin x by 2 plus c, right? Yeah. And he has given f of 12 pi is equal to 2. F of 12 pi is equal to 2. Yeah. So if you substitute f of 12 pi, it is log 2, right? So log 2 is equal to minus 2 into sine 12 pi, sine 10 pi you will get, it will be completely 0 or infinity it is going to become. So finally you got what to say, minus 2 log. Okay, the mistake here, the question is having a mistake. Just now I've seen the question, it is not 12 pi. That's the reason we are searching for the thing here. F of pi is equal to 2, guys. Try to change the question. F of pi is equal to 2. F of pi is equal to 2 is the question. Okay. So see, because log 0 is undefined, right? So that is why I'm shocked. I'm getting shocked. Whatever value I keep 12 pi, I'm getting log 0. Log 0 is undefined. You can't proceed. It is infinity. So now he has given pi. So it is minus 2 log sine pi by 2, right? As it is pi, it is sine pi by 2 plus c. So how much I got? So log sine pi by 2 is 1. That is 0. So c is equal to log 2 I got. Okay, so now what is asking? F of pi by 2. So now it is very easy. So log f of pi by 2 is equal to minus 2 log sine pi by 4 is 1. Sorry, 1 by root 2. Log 1 by root 2 plus log 2. Okay. So now what is happening here? If I take minus 2 to inside, you will get, it is log 2 power minus 1 by 2 is 2 you get. Okay, log 2 plus log 2. Yeah. So here log f of pi by 2 is equal to log 2 plus log 2. Okay guys, minus 2, see, I think everyone knows this one, right? Log 1 by root 2 can be written as log 2 power minus 1 by 2. So that minus 1 by 2 and minus 2 got cancelled. So you're left with log 2. Okay. So that equal to log 2 plus log 2 is log 4. So if I remove the log, f of pi by 2 is equal to 4 is your answer. Okay. So please be careful. The question is wrong over here. Please check the question. F of pi is equal to 2. Then you will get f of pi by 2 as 4. Okay. Any doubts, everyone? Anyone is having any doubts, you can feel free to ask, guys. And if no doubts, then see, look at here. This is the which set I'm writing here. This is a 2020 January 7th paper, set 2. Okay. So January set 2. Okay, this is directly I brought the question paper. Randomly I've just selected, guys. From now onwards I'm thinking to make you practice the 2020 paper so that it will be helpful for the writing the exam in February. So come on, equation of tangent to the ellipse, what it will be, guys? Come on, tell me. The answer key for which one? The full syllabus test you are asking, Sandeep? You're talking about the full syllabus test? It will be sent. I will ask them to send it in the group. I hope they have sent it. I don't know about the Telegram group. I think they have sent it or not. Okay, I will just remind them. Okay, Sandeep. Okay, now comes the JEE 2020 paper. Come on, guys. How to do this question? X squared by a squared plus y squared by 9 is equal to 1. Yeah, on 11th February. Okay. I will ask them to share it here. Okay. So please tell me what I has given. That 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 root 2 is a tangent to the given ellipse. Okay. Yeah. Then the distance between foci of the ellipse. Guess what is the distance between foci of the ellipse here? Come on. Try to give the answer. What is the distance? I'm not asking the what is which option is the answer. I'm asking what is the formula. What is the distance between foci formula? It is, exactly, it is not a formula. What is the thing? What is the distance between foci of the ellipse? How much it is? Come on. YouTubers, try to give me the answer. Come on, guys, try to be active. Come on. What is the distance between foci in a ellipse? Any idea? No idea? Distance between foci is 2 AE. Foci is at a, yeah, it is distance between two vertices, Sandeep. So in an ellipse, guys, in a given ellipse, okay, the foci lies at which point? AE and minus AE. And the vertices is lying at A and A, minus A. And directors will lie at A by E and minus A by E. Okay, please remember this thing. So what is the distance between these two? So one is AE and this one also AE. So it is 2AE. Distance between two foci of the ellipse is 2AE. Okay, yeah. So how to solve this question? First of all, we'll try to write the equation of a tangent for the given ellipse. X squared by a square plus y squared by 9 is equal to 1, right? First of all, what is the equation of a tangent for the standard ellipse? What is say x square by, what is the equation of standard ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So what is the equation of tangent, guys? X at a point x1 comma y1 if someone is asking. So x1 by a square plus y1 by b square is equal to 1. So this is my equation of tangent. We know. This is also called as t equal to 0, right? Okay. So now please tell me for this one, what is my equation of tangent? It is x1 by a square plus y1 by 9 is equal to 1. Okay. So this is what we got. So it is x by a square by x1, or else I just leave it as it is. What is it? He is saying The equation of tangent also is given. It is 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 root 2. So I'm writing it here. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 root 2. If I bring the 12 root 2 over here, what is happening? X by 4 root 2 plus y by 3 root 2 is equal to 1. Okay. Yeah. So now you just try to compare both these things, guys. Try to compare these two equations. What is y coefficient? Y coefficient is y1 by 9 is equal to 1 by 3 root 2. Okay. So y1 is equal to how much it is? 3 by root 2. Okay. So 3 by root 2. Now y1 we got. Try to find the x1 from the given equation. This point is lying on the equation of tangent, right? So what is y1 is 3 by root 2. Then what is x? X plus 4 3 is 12 by root 2 is equal to 12 root 2. So if I want to find the x value is equal to 12 root 2 minus 12 by root 2. So how much it is, guys? It is root 2 into root 2 will be 2. So 12 2 is 24 minus 12. So it is 12 by root 2. So x is equal to 12 by 3 root 2. So it is 4 by root 2. So it is 2 root 2. Okay. So I got x1 as 2 root 2 and y1 as 3 by root 2. Now try to compare the coefficient of x over here. What is the coefficient of x here? It is x1 by a square. And what is the coefficient of x over here? 1 by 4 root 2. Okay. So what is x1? 2 root 2, right? X1 is 2 root 2 by a square is equal to 1 by 4 root 2. So now what is a square? I think a to the 16. So a is equal to plus minus 4. A square is equal to 16. A is equal to plus minus 4 we got. Now try to find the other things also. Yeah, no need of other things here. We got the a square. So what is our equation of ellipse? X square by a square is 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So a square is equal to 16 we got, and b square is equal to 9 we got. And what is the formula for eccentricity, guys? Come on. Eccentricity of ellipse E is equal to root over 1 minus b square by a square. So it will be root over 1 minus 9 by 16. So it is equal to 7 by root 7 by 4. Okay, root 7 by 4. Now we got E as root 7 by 4 and a square as 16. Now can anyone please tell me what is my value of I need distance between foci, right? Distance between foci is 2ae. So 2 into a is a square is 16, a is 4 into e is root 7 by 4. So I think it is if 4 get cancelled, 2 root 7 is your answer. Okay. So which option it is, guys? Very good, Sandeep. Your option is correct. It is 2 root 7. Option B is correct. So this is the one question. We should be very careful here. It is very basics. Okay. Now try to give me the which answer is, which will be your answer. Contra-positive. Yes, I'm telling you what is contra-positive first of all. P and Q is there. Then if someone is talking about Q and P, then it is called as converse. Please remember converse. If someone is talking negation P and negation Q, then it is inverse. So guys, this is the question. If someone is given P and Q, and someone is talking opposite Q and P, then it is converse. And if someone is talking negation P and negation Q, it is inverse. And someone is reversing the things and also applying the negation. Negation Q implies negation P. It is contra-positive. Okay. Means if P is one statement and Q is another statement. So this is what contra-positive meaning. Okay. So now can anyone please tell me what could be our answer? I'm waiting for the answer. YouTubers start to give me the answer. I'm just waiting for 2 minutes. Come on, guys. Contra-positive, how to write the statement that I've explained. Contra-positive converse and as well as inverse also. Try to give me the answer, guys. Which option could be your answer? Try to just look at the board, everyone. I'm starting the timer. Okay, come on, try to give me the answer, guys. Which one is your answer? Okay, very good, Sandeep. What about others? Okay, yeah, sorry, I think it is not visible. I think now it is visible, right? Sorry. If A is subset of B, subset or equal to B, and B is subset or equal to D, then A is subset or equal to C. That is what it's saying to us. So what would be the contrapositive of that one? It should be negation of Q statement and negation of P. Okay. 1 minute 45 seconds left, guys. Try to give me the answer. Come on. YouTubers, JPMC, those are present. Try to give me the answer, guys. Okay, time is up. So what is your answer, guys? Negation of the second statement means what it is? If A is not subset of C, right? Negation of the second statement. And then negation of the first statement, it is A subset of B and B subset of D. So it is A is not subset of B and will become OR, and B is not subset of D, right? So this is your answer. Which option it is? Option D, I think so, right? Yeah, that is your answer. That's it. Now comes the coefficient of x power 7 in the expression he's asking, okay? So how to find this one? He has given 1 plus x whole power 10, okay? Plus x into 1 plus x whole power 9 plus x square into 1 plus x whole power 8 plus so on. Plus so on. It goes and goes until x power 10. What is asking? What is the coefficient of x power 7? Okay. Now please tell me, what is first of all 1 plus x whole power and the standard expansion? It is NC0. Guys, C0 means NC0. Try to think NC0. into 1 plus c1 into x plus c2 into x square plus c3 into x cube plus so on, right? Okay, so this is what we know, the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. So when it comes to the 1 plus x whole power 10, what is the coefficient of x power 7? You can just simply say it, right? What is the coefficient of x power 7? It is c7 into x power 7, right? So it is 10c7, okay, plus now try to think here, simple logic here, x into this one. So what will be your coefficient here? For 1 plus x whole power 9, x power 7 coefficient is 9c7, that is okay. But here x into there, so you have to consider x power 6 coefficient here, then x into x power 6 coefficient will become x power 7 coefficient. So what is x power 6 coefficient, or here it is 9c6, okay. So here similarly here you have to consider x power 5 coefficient, so it is 8c5, okay, like that you have to consider all the things. 7c4 till where you can have to go, plus 6c3 plus 5c2 plus 4c1 plus how much? 4c1 means which one you will get? X power 7 into 1 plus x whole power 4, right? So till here you are going. 1 plus x whole power 7 . Yeah, so everyone understood, right? So let's look at here, everyone. So first one is 10c7 and next one is 9c6 and 8c5. So like that, so on, so on, so on, will go on till which one we will go. The power has to be power 4 if it is there, okay? The 4c, then if power 4 is there, and outside how much we are getting? It is, give me 1 minute, guys. It is 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it is x power 6 here. Okay, yeah. So x power 6 into x power 1 we need, and plus x power 7 into 1 plus x whole cube, it will be there. Okay, so for x power 7, what it will be? It is 3c0. Okay, and what about the next one? Next one will be plus x power 8 into 1 plus x whole square, like that it will go. So here from now onwards, x power 8 is the minimum coefficient, minimum power you will be having. So this is not necessary for us. So total, what is our answer, guys? I'm writing here. Our answer is 3c0, or else I write from starting it here itself. It is 10c7 plus 9c6 plus 8c5 plus 7c4 plus 6c3 plus 5c2 plus 4c1 plus 3c0. Okay. Um, Here we can use any formula. We'll think, or else we can directly find it out. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. So here n plus 1, look at here, n plus 1 CR minus or plus. Okay, if you use this formula, it will be very hectic here. Better you just find it directly. Guys, look at here, 10c7 and okay, so 10c7 is called as 10c3 plus 9c3 plus 8c3 plus 7c, everything, 7c3 and 7c4, everything. So try to find the values, how much we are getting here. What is the value of 10c3? Any similar values we are getting or same? So 10c7 is 10c3 itself. So it is 10 into 9 into 8 by 6 plus 9c3, 9 into 8 into 7 by 6 plus 8c3, 8 into 7 into 6 by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6 guys, okay? Plus 7 into 5 into 4 by 6, sorry, 7 into 6 into 5. Why I'm writing this one? 7 into 6 into 5 by 6, okay? Till 7 we got till plus 63 means 63 means 6 into 5 into 4 by 6, 3 factorial. Plus 5c2, I am writing it directly, guys. 5c2 is 5 into 4 by 2 is 10 plus 4c1 is 4 plus 1, okay? Now try to check it, how much we are getting. It is 3 2 jar, 3 3 jar, 2 4 jar, 4 3 jar 12. So it is 120 plus 3 2 jar and 3 3 jar 9 and 2 ones 2 4 jar 4. So how much we are getting? 12 7 jar 84 plus 6 6 has got cancelled. So it is 56 plus, and again 6 6 got cancelled. It is 35 7 5 jar. And the next one is again 6 6 got cancelled plus 20 plus 14 plus 1 is 15. So now try to add this one, guys. 120 plus 84 is 204, 210, 260, 295, 300, 330. 330 is your answer, okay? Is it there? Any options are there? Yeah, it is there. 330 is your answer, guys, okay? That is how you have to do it. You have to be alert while doing the question, guys, okay? If anyone is having any doubts, you ask me. Now comes the probability that, see, in full services we have solved one question, the same kind of question. At most two machines. I think if there we have done at most one machine, I think so, right? In full syllabus test. So what is the thing here? There are 5 machines, and probability of any one of them to be out of service is 1 by 4. Okay. So here event of success means out of service, which is 1 by 4. Means P is equal 1 by 4. What is Q? If P is 1 by 4, then Q is 3 by 4. Okay. Yeah. So look at here. What we are going to do is. So there are 5 machines. So which gives us 5 machines means n is equal to 5. Just keep it aside. And what is the success? Success means probability of out of service. Okay, I'm writing here. It is out of service, which is equal to 1 by 4. And what about the Q? The other 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4, obviously. Okay. So now what is asking? Probability that most 2 machines will be out of service means P of X most 2 means less than or equal to 2 is asking, right? So now first of all I'm writing the P of X is equal to some R is equal to NCR Q power n minus R into P power R. Everyone remember this formula or not? So now please tell me, it is very easy. P of X is less than or equal to means P of X is equal to 0 plus P of X is equal to 1 plus P of X is equal to 2. What is X equal to 0, guys? It is NC0. Guys, N is already, he has given it as 5. So try to write it directly. So it is 5C0 into Q power 5. So it is 3 by 4 whole power 5 into 1 by 4 whole power 0. Okay. Yeah. Next one is 5C1 into 3 by 4 whole power 4 into 1 by 4 whole power 1. Okay. Plus NC2 into 3 by 4 whole cube into 1 by 4 whole square. That's it. Just solve this question. So how much we are getting for first one is 5C0 is 1. So it will be 3 by 4 whole power 5. Okay. Plus 5 into 3 power 4, right? 5 into 3 power 4 by 4 power 5. So this is what I'm getting. 5C1 is 5. Yeah. Plus now how much I'm getting? 5C2. Yes, 5C2 is how much it is? It is 10, right? So 10 into 3 cube by 4 power 5 we are getting. Okay, so this is what we are getting. So just have to simplify. So if I remove 3 cube common, okay, 3 cube by 4 power 5, if I take it as common, we are left with 3 3 are 9 plus 5 3 are 15 plus 10. Okay, so how much we are left with here? It is 25 and 34. Huh? So it is 27 by 4 power 5 into how much it is? 25 and 34. Any mistake we have done here? At most 2 is asking. P of x is equal to 0 plus 1 plus 2. Out of service. Oh, sorry. He has given equal to 3 by 4 whole cube into k. That I have not seen, guys. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So no doubt doing all these things. 3 is this one, which is equal to. I thought he's asking the value of this one. This one is equal to 3 by 4 whole cube into k, right? That is what he has given, right? Yeah. So what is happening? You are left with this 3 cube got cancelled, and 4 cube, and here 4 square it will become. So it is 25 34 by 4 square 16 is equal to k. So how much it is? So it is 17 by 8. Understood everyone? K is equal to 17 by 8. Oh yeah, option D is your answer. Okay. Yeah, Sandeep. Very good. Correct. That's it. Now locus of midpoints of the perpendicular drawn from the line to the line. Yeah, this is very easy. So here, if x is equal to y, will be x is equal to y, or y equal to x. It will be like this, and one other y equal to 2x will be like this. Okay. So it is y is equal to 2x and y is equal to x. So now what is asking? Locus of midpoints of the perpendiculars drawn from points from line x is equal to 2y. Okay, sorry, he's asking x is equal to 2y. It is. So if x is equal to 2y, y is equal to x by 2. So y is equal to x by 2 is this one, or x equal to y equal, write it as x is equal to 2y, and this one is y is equal to x. Okay. So now what is asking? He's saying that, look at here, guys. He's saying that locus of midpoints of the perpendicular drawn from here to, from x equal to 2y to this line. Okay, means here some perpendicular you are going to draw. Okay. And now, what is the midpoint? Locus of the midpoints. Okay, so it's not a big deal. What you have to do is, first of all, I will try to take some point here. If x is x1, what is y? x1 by 2. Okay. Now I will try to find the foot of the perpendicular. Here, point A. Here I want to find the foot of the perpendicular on point B. Okay. If once I got the foot of the perpendicular, then both the midpoints will give us the answer. That is easy to do. Once try it everywhere. Okay. Try to find the foot of the perpendicular from point A, x1 comma x1 by 2 to the line y is equal to x. Okay. Once you find the point B, then your midpoint will be your locus. Okay. So try to find and try to do this question, and more other questions are also there on the same question paper. I will discuss this in the next class, guys. Okay. So everyone, try to do it. Try to practice as many questions as possible. Okay. Any doubts you can ask me. Okay, YouTubers, everyone. Any doubts you are having? Okay, everyone, take care. If no doubts, take care, guys. We'll meet in the next class. I'll continue from this question, okay? Okay, Sandeep. Take care, everyone. Try to practice as many questions as possible, guys, okay?